Welcome back. In today's video, I will tackle two projects at once. I want to create a travelogue about my recent vacation to post on my blog, and I thought I would bring you along for the ride. I will explain how I'm handling the graphics, what a travelogue should contain, and provide you with a sneak peek at the finished project. So buckle in and let's embark on this journey. I asked myself, what is a travelogue? I know I want to share photos from my trip, but I also want to include commentary with interesting tidbits of history or random facts that I gathered during my travels. I plan to accomplish this by combining photos, videos, and audio clips. So many techniques to work with and share with you. Can I do it in one video? Well, we'll see. The first thing I did was open Canva and search for templates using the word travelogue. However, I didn't like any that I found, so I reached out to my design AI friend and provided this prompt. I want a travelogue that includes 5 different destinations. The result was 5 slides, each with a title on one side and a photo on another. A pretty good starting point. Next, I searched for a map of Europe to use as a background and uploaded all of my vacation pictures from Google Photos, where I had stored them after returning from my trip. I then adjusted the map by making it quite transparent and added a photo of my hubby on the balcony of our room in Zurich.
Our Viking vacation began with an email on Black Friday that had a great deal for a Viking river voyage. Randy and I discussed it, chose the Rhine River itinerary that begins in Basel, Switzerland, and ends in Amsterdam. When we began researching flights, we discovered that we could save a bit of money by flying to Zurich. Having never been to Zurich, we chose that path. When cruising or doing bus tours, we always like to fly in a couple of days early to get acclimated to the area and rest up from the long flights. We found an out-of-the-way hotel in Zurich, the Hotel Neufeld, and booked it using Booking.com. Zurich, often referred to as the Little Big City, Zuri, or Limmastadt, is the economic capital of Switzerland. This vibrant city features a blend of Gothic and Romanesque architecture alongside modern buildings, with a touch of brutalism as well. It's a typical large European city that showcases a rich architectural diversity. Beyond that, we found it to be a pricey shopping venue for those with exquisite taste. We enjoyed the botanical gardens, our trip on the funicular railway, and our visit to the Fraumünster Church, where in 1970, Marc Chagall's windows were installed in the ancient building. We were there for 2 days, mostly wandering around the Altstadt, Old Town, and surrounding neighborhoods. After enjoying 2 days in Zurich, we took a 1-hour, non-stop train ride to Basel on a fast train. We truly appreciated the precision of the Swiss railways. Since we had never traveled this way before, we accidentally boarded a first-class carriage and had to make a switch. Fortunately, the conductor was kind enough to inform us where to look for the indications of carriage type in the future. One of the highlights of our trip was a young woman, elegantly dressed, who kindly grabbed our bags, whisked them down the stairs for us, and wished us a happy journey. As senior travelers, we always find the kindness of strangers to be a breath of fresh air. After setting sail on our Viking longship, the Gersame, our first stop was the Black Forest. There, we boarded a luxury coach and traveled to a village where Randy enjoyed a demonstration on making cuckoo clocks. Meanwhile, I took a hike to see some beautiful waterfalls. Afterward, we watched a presentation on how to make the famous Black Forest Gâteau. Although we didn't visit during the holiday season, our guide enthusiastically shared about Strasbourg's reputation as the capital of Christmas. The city wholeheartedly embraces the festive spirit, especially through its charming Christmas market, which is one of the oldest and largest in Europe. It draws visitors from around the globe, all eager to enjoy the seasonal ambiance and delightful treats. While wandering down one street, we had the pleasure of sampling macarons, cheese, and pastries from local shops. We were captivated by Strasbourg's stunning architecture. The cathedral's exterior was remarkable, featuring an astronomical clock and a blend of architectural styles, with impressive rooflines and flying buttresses. In Rudesheim am Rhein, we chose to skip the excursion and spend the morning walking around this charming town, and picked up a few souvenirs, then it was back to the ship for tea.
Before I started creating this tutorial, I hadn't used Canva in a few weeks. Clearly, I had been enjoying other activities such as cruising up the Rhine. To my surprise, I discovered that Canva had undergone a major overhaul, and they didn't even tell me. Initially, I began my project in presentation mode, but I found it cumbersome for my intended purpose. So, after a few minutes of frustration, I clicked on the ever-present question mark in the lower right-hand corner of your screen and asked if it was possible to convert my project from presentation to video mode. And guess what? It's simple. You just right-click on the screen and then scroll down to Edit in Video Mode. Who would have thought? Check out this screen grab to see what that looks like. Well, there you have it. I have tried to cram a ton of information into this video, along with just showing you my thought process on how I would create a travelogue. Please let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this type of video where I have mixed the actual product in with the tutorial, or if you'd rather me just focus on creating one component of Canva at a time. There are so many new changes to Canva. I've got some work to do to catch you up. For now, ta-ta and have a great week.